In today's video, we will try to learn how to restore a company from our backups in Prime. In last video, we made backup of XYZ Limited, like this company. So first, I delete this company from my Prime. Press F3, then go with select company, then select XYZ Limited. Press F3. Select alter company, select XYZ, press Alt T for delete. Yes, yes. Now we can see we don't have any XYZ limited company. We will back up this. Come here, gateway of tally, then press Alt Y, data, then go with restore, then select where we save the backup. I saved it on D drive. So I'll select D drive, then select YouTube project. We can see the XYZ limited. So press enter, end of the list, enter, accept, yes. The backup is finished. Sorry, restore is finished. So we'll see, check this company. So select, press F3, then select company. Now we can see the our XYZ company is restored. We can see the XYZ company's balance sheet here. Everything is restored. What we just backup and restore. In these two videos, we will learn how to backup and restore. Thank you for watching.